What's going on, guys? This is Edgar with GDS Detailing. For today's video, we have quite an interesting day. We have a maintenance detail that we're working on, this one that we do every 2 weeks. We also have a customer who actually canceled on us, but somehow he still wants us to go out to his house and look at his friend's car, which I don't know what that's gonna be or what he wants us to do. This guy's just all over the place, so we'll just see what happens. And then we have another appointment in a few hours where it's gonna be the interior only. The car, they said, was dirty, that it does need shampoo, but the customer's not gonna be there. So we're not sure, what to do, how to set up expectations with them, just because, they won't be there in person. So hopefully it's not too bad, and hopefully, no one else cancels on us, but let's get to it. All right, so we're done with this maintenance detail for today. Now we're moving on to our next customer. So our next customer, he booked an appointment about a week ago, and within an hour, he told us never mind, he had to cancel just because he works that day, which is fine. I told him just to give us a call back. And he wanted limestone removed from his vehicle, kind of like a white powder that was stuck on his vehicle because of the roads, because of construction. So we told him we could definitely take care of it. So he canceled on us, and then a few days later, he lets us know, hey, by the way, I was able to remove it, but I ruined the paint. He actually used a dish soap sponge to actually remove it, and now he wants us to actually take care of it. So he said, not a problem, we could definitely do that. He booked another appointment. Yesterday, he called us, letting us know that he actually won't be able to be there, but his friend will be there, and he wants us to take a look at his friend's brand new 2024 vehicle, and he wants us to maybe take care of it. I'm not really sure, but he's gonna be there, but we can't detail his vehicle for whatever reason because he has to work, and I'm not sure. Let's just see what happens with this guy.
All right, guys, so we texted that customer that we're supposed to go meet up with, that we're on our way, and he texted us back saying that he's not gonna be there anymore. He has to leave already. And then he continues to text us like, my friend just wants to know how much for an interior detail. I'm kind of, a little frustrated because he called me yesterday and I answered the phone. And I was asking him, what does your friend need? What services does he want? And he's like, I don't know. Just come meet him tomorrow. And I was just like, you could just call me, ask me on the phone when I was asking you about it. But I don't know. This customer has been a little bit, not difficult, but just, I don't know, a little stressful with dealing with. I mean, the guy seems nice, but it's just been a little crazy with him. But I don't know what you guys think. Should we even continue dealing with this customer? Should we just not deal with this customer? I don't know. Y'all let me know.
All right, so we're gonna go to our next detail now. Hopefully this guy doesn't cancel. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna be an interior vehicle for a Ford Fiesta. It's gonna be shampoo and take care of the interior. So hopefully it's not too bad. Customer won't be there, so we'll have to call them, and hopefully, they'll pay us and everything's good. Hopefully we don't get scammed. All right, so we're here at the second location for today. We got a Ford Fiesta. So let's take a look what it looks like. So it is a little dirty. Looks like they have kids. All right, let's take a look. The seats are pretty stained, so we are gonna have to shampoo. A little small car though, small car, so hopefully it doesn't take us too long. We're already getting set up over here. We already called the customer, told them how much it would cost. They're okay with our price. It was a little bit more just because a little bit dirtier. Our starting price on these is $200 for the interior. And since we are gonna have to shampoo, we are gonna charge extra on that. But they were okay with that, they understood, so that's pretty good. We're happy, customers are understanding our prices, because we have, changed our prices a lot since we first started detailing. So we're gonna get started on this one, and we'll show you what we do.
All right, guys, so we're about halfway through this detail. Edgar's still working on some of the plastics on the inside, but he's cleaned a majority of them, and I'm starting to work on the shampoo and the seats and the carpets. So I already pre-sprayed the seat over here. pre-sprayed the carpets. Edgar's working on cleaning the pedals, working on this driver area. So far it's going good. We're about a little bit over an hour in. I'm thinking maybe another hour and a half that we have left on this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start shampooing, agitating the seats and shampooing. Hopefully take care of some of these stains.
All right, so we're completely done with the Ford Fiesta. It came out pretty good. Nathan just mainly focused on the vacuuming and the actual shampoo. I did pretty much everything else. So we did it a little bit differently this time. Usually what we'll do is we'll both start on each side. Nathan will take care of the driver's side and I'll take care of the right side. And then at the end, I'll start vacuuming and then he'll start doing the shampoo process. Sometimes what happens is that we run into each other just because he's waiting for me or I'm waiting for him. And there's a lot of time that we're just not doing anything. So by doing it this way, we were overall a little bit more efficient. No one was not doing anything. We were just constantly working and we were able to finish in 2 hours and about 45 minutes. So that's what we were aiming for. We talked to the customer already and she already paid up. We already took some pictures and we left the business cards and some air fresheners. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for this car right here. Overall, it was a pretty good day. It was a little bit of a slow day. It was a $400 day. We really wanted, that third vehicle, but the customer canceled on us. So what can we do? Hopefully, maybe he calls us in the next few days and he books something just because he already stood us up twice. I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. You can follow us in our detailing journey.